Today I'm going to show you how to get from this to this. Stay tuned. Hey, welcome back, y'all. Today I'm going to be doing a hydro dip. It's actually going to be a hydro dip coyote skull. Basically, I'm going to show you what all you need for a hydro dip here. So first, obviously you need some gloves. I use you can use a dust mask or something, but I use a respirator because you don't want to breathe that junk in when you're that spray paint stuff. Not good for the lungs or the schnoz. I used to not wear any kind of respirator or anything, and I'd be blowing my nose all day, and there'd be paint coming out of my nose all day. Not good. Anyway, obviously you need some paint, and you need some sort of either a small stick or just, I got a little wire I use to kind of stir the paint after it's in the water. And then obviously you need a skull. Here's the coyote skull. I have put a base coat on it already. Just put a white base coat. Basically a base coat is there for the other paint to stick to it. Like if you don't put a base coat on this stuff, the paint will not stick to the bone. You put a base coat on it, has something to grip to and grip on. It'll stick. And then after you dip, you'll need something, a little piece of cardboard or something, just to swish around the paint and get it out of the way so you can pull the skull out. Next up, we're gonna do some dipping. Another thing I forgot to mention is your paint. Make sure you shake it up. It's not going to come out if you don't shake it up. I shake the crap out of these cans, so I make sure it's coming out good. Yeah, shake your cans real good before you do the dip. Whew! Alright. I'm out of breath. The paint's mixed. Let's do this dip. Gloves. Just get to see my hair. Respirator on. Now, my beard's gonna look a little funky after this is done. Right in this region. Don't laugh at me. Or laugh, I don't care. Alright, all strapped up. Alright, now you want to alternate colors on top of the water. Just alternate right in the middle. Probably about quarter to half can each, maybe a quarter can each. Not a very big skull. Let's start spraying. Just keep alternating. Spray right in the middle of the where you sprayed before. Whew. Smell it. Alright. Take your little tool or your little, do a little design. Now we dip. And you want to go this way very slowly. Very, very slowly. Wipe the paint away. Wow. Just let that water drip. Set it up somewhere. Let it dry. Alright, I cut the camera, fixed my beard before you can make fun of me. Anyway, check this thing out. Pretty darn cool. That's pretty sweet. Turned out pretty good. Yeah, man, that's basically it. That's how you hide your dip. Super easy. Takes some practice, obviously, but just try it out. See what you think. You can use any colors you want. The opportunities are endless. Anyway, I'll be back with you. 1 second.
Hey, one thing I should mention is I did end up re-dipping this because I didn't really like how it turned out the first time, the first dip. So I did re-dip it, and it looks a heck of a lot cooler. Those colors really pop with the blue and stuff. So yeah, just another thing to mention. If you mess up or don't like how a dip looks, you can re-dip it. As you can see, I put some decals on there. I got some Chargers decals for the customer. He wanted it Chargers colors. Look at the Chargers. A little bit over here, a couple over here. Pretty cool. Once again, I appreciate you guys watching. If you like the video and my content, just feel free to subscribe, like the video, leave a comment, and do some cool stuff, guys. Life's too short. Do cool stuff. Appreciate it. See you next time.